ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಕಥೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬರಹ ಓದೋಣ. ಚಂದ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಸೂರ್ಯ. ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾದಂಥ ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಅರ್ಥೈಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಬರಹ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು StoryWeaver.org ಇಂದ ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಂತ 1. ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಓದೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿಯೋರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬರಹ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ read another article or story regarding Chandra mattu Surya. It's very easy one and very useful and easy for the beginners. This I have chosen from StoryWeaver.org, level 1. Let's read. Chandra mattu Surya. Chandra, moon. Surya, sun. Mattu is and. Moon and sun. Belagaitu. Belagge is morning. It became morning. Surya Bandhanu. Surya Bandhanu is came. Sun arrived or he came out or he raised. Ba is to come. Purva dikkininda horatanu. Dikku is direction. Purva is east. Horadu is to start. He started from east direction. Paschima dikkinalli mulugidanu. Mulugu is to set or drawn. Here set. Paschima is west. He set in west direction. Ratri aitu. It became night. Ratri is night. Chandra bandhanu. Chandra is moon. Moon arrived or came. Kelomme ardha. Ardha is half. Kelomme is sometimes. Sometimes half. Kelomme vritta. Sometimes round or circle. Vritta is circle or round. Artha agudilla ivara maye. Artha is to understand. Ivara, their. Maye is magic. Don't understand their magic. That's it. All about this moon and sun, about this article. I hope you found it very easy too, and as well as the narration. Please like, share as well, subscribe to the channel. Next video we'll read another simple and interesting story or article. Thank you.